Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Math with Miss Mickey and Rory. This week we're going to be talking about data. Now, we've never talked about that before. Does anybody know what data is? Well, first we have some words we have to go over. We have to know what this stuff means. Data is something you get from a survey. A survey is a question that you ask other people or yourself to try to get information. We call that information data. When you get your information, it's easy to see what we know if we make it and put it on a chart or a graph. We're going to talk all about that this week and more. And I'll show you how to make your own chart and graph and collect data by taking a survey. Rory and I really want to make our own chart using a survey question, but we're wondering, what would we even ask? We're here all by ourselves. I don't know what to ask people, so I'm going to think and look around my house for things that I could use to make a data chart about. Do you have any ideas, Rory? I think she wants to use her toys, but there's a ton of toys in that basket. We always like to use Rory's items, so we actually do have a big container of balls. I bet we could sort this and put it in our own data chart. Today, Rory and I are going to make a data chart using some information around our house, right, Rory? She decided it was a good idea to show you guys this by using her tennis balls. All of her tennis balls are right here on this table, right, Rory? Is this all of them? Now, we can put these into different categories by color. So if I move these balls over here, these are all the yellow balls. These are all the orange balls. And then I'm going to put the blue balls over here and the green and purple balls there. So I can tell I have 2 green and purple balls, 3 blue balls, 5 yellow balls, and 4 pink and orange balls. I wonder how we can put this into a chart. So I just grabbed a piece of paper and my pen, and the first thing we have to do when we make a chart is put a title at the top. I put the title as my survey question. How many colored balls does Rory have? Now, we remember she had yellow balls. She had pink, we'll just call that category pink balls. She had blue balls. And she had green balls. Now, one thing we can do is put lines and set this up in what looks like a table. I made my table, so now I have to put my tally marks inside, and we know how to do tally marks. We've been doing that every day in calendar. So, if I look at my yellow pile, I have 5 balls. So I'm going to do 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remember, when we get to 5, we go down the middle. I have 4 pink balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 blue balls. 1, 2, 3. And 2 green balls. 1, 2. So now our chart is all finished. All right, now we have our chart finished, and now we know how many colored balls Rory has. All right, boys and girls, Rory took some of her balls away. Can you make your own chart to show us how many balls in different colors Rory has now? Here's her new group of balls. I'm going to put a picture of this on the next page too. Remember, when you make your data chart, make sure you start with a title at the top, draw your chart out, and fill in the tally marks.